Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is where tech meets impact. Today we are diving into a critical Microsoft 365 security setup, enforcing multi-factor authentication for administrators accessing from outside our corporate network. And if you're preparing for your MS 102 exams or securing your tenant, this one is for you. And I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to create conditional access policy. So let's head over to the Microsoft Entra Admin Center. So I'm currently at my Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Remember, you have to be a global administrator or any of the privileged admin role. So let's click on Show All and go ahead and click on Identity. That should take you right into Entra Admin Center. You go ahead and authenticate into your tenant with the right credentials. So once that is done, we will click on create. Yeah, you can click on new. Just look for policy. Yes, go to under where you have Entra ID, conditional access. So we'll go ahead and create a new policy and give our policy a scope. Who are we applying the policy to? All right, so click on create new policy. You have to give your policy a clear name. For instance, MFA for external admin access. All right. So under assignment, you can select, give your scope. Go ahead and select a user. So let's go to directory roles and pick roles like global administrator, global admin, SharePoint, SharePoint administrator, exchange administrator. Maybe we can have, if we have, do we have teams administrator? Awesome. So we have four of this. Of course, I have to exclude myself. Uh, it's more like a break glass so that I don't lock myself. It's always good to have a backup. All right, so I'm going to exclude this. Select. Awesome. So once that is done, the next thing is going to be to configure location. So go to conditions, where you have conditions, right? Look for location. Yeah, location. Click on location. Configure all trusted. You can just use selected locations. I'm going to use Nigeria, for instance. Can we check for another location? Okay, I already have Nigeria. So yeah, select that. It's just for demo sake. Okay, you can use any location that you want. So what do we have next? So let's choose grant. Go to so click on grant after the condition, which is the location. Click on grant and then select require multi-factor authentication. And so you select that. And then finally, you enable your policy. Sometimes we advise you to keep it on report only, just to. But for now, I'll just put it on. The difference is that report only is just going to give you the report. It's not going to really enforce it, right? Just the report. If you put it off, yeah, you've created the policy, but it's not turned on. So I'm going to just turn it on and click on create policy. You can see successfully created MFA for external admin access. So that is how to create. So let's just say what we've done so far, we created a policy, and in that policy we targeted our admin roles, and that's the scope. And then we set location condition for Nigeria, that if they're in Nigeria, they require MFA to log in. And so we put on the require MFA and enabled it. So this sequence aligns with Microsoft best practices. And sometimes if you're preparing for MS 102, it's also part of the exam's objectives. Bonus tips: always test with pilot group before rolling out tenants wide, and document your policy for compliance and donor transparency. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe, and do not forget to share with your team. Also drop a comment if you want a branded or more videos on this. Until next time, I remain Nsika and Ikwe. Keep your cloud secure and your impact will be visible. Thank you. So let's just go ahead and check out our policy that we've created. Let's view all policy just before I end the video. Remember what the policy was called? Yes, MFA for external admin access is turned on. You can see the dates. 5th of December. All right. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching the video.